vlog.
Vlog?
Okay, hold on, let me make sure it's on focus.
Damn, I'm taller than this.
Hello! So I'm starting out the vlog today really late. It's actually, what is it, 4 o'clock? 5 o'clock or something like that?
4:35.
Oh, you puppies, and we're walking the dogs. Here's Jordan. And they're really excited to be here. Jordan, do you have any words to say to my vlog?
If you have little trucks, they can still go up hills. So don't be
Barely. Your tires might slide, but you can still do it. Let's go down here. Come on, let's go.
Third thing.
Oh, yeah. Jordan, don't fall. You're on vlog, so if you fall, have it on camera.
I will not fall.
Go, boys! This is a strip, if you guys are unfamiliar with it. Yeah, I zoomed in. It's recording, make sure it's in focus.
It's now in focus. We're vlogging. We're currently driving off-road with the dogs. There they are.
I forgot
Sarah.
right here. Oh, yeah, right here.
This. All the construction workers and all their equipment. And we're going about 22 miles an hour downhill, no traction in the wheels. Because the tread is gone. And fucking chains everywhere. You gotta hit the little flag. They got little flags set up all over the place, like they got a track, like a little flag.
Oh my god, this is so fun. This is really fun, guys. Uh-oh. We're going 30 miles per hour now. Okay, I better slow down. Alright, you can end the vlog now.
We're now ending the vlog.
Hello, so this is in focus, but it's really windy, so sorry if you can't hear me. But we're sitting, Jordan and I are sitting in the backyard, and we just got done with our walk with the dogs. So we're just chilling here, and Jordan claims that's very peaceful because of
Extremely peaceful.
the wind chimes.
And
so.
the wind and the perfect temperature and the view.
And the view of me.
And the view of Sarah.
No. Hold on, let me get. Okay, so here, you want to explain what we're doing?
So, Sydney's been depressed all day and we don't know why. And she's not responding to messages or anything. She didn't even go to school. So I'm going to sneak upstairs and see what's wrong with her and see if I can harass her.
Okay.
I don't want to get cussed.
She's laying in her bed.
We came to Algerson's and we found Matt Hutchinson here. He's right here. Walk over and say hello. Okay. I see how you feel. No, it's too late. You already passed it up. You lost your opportunity.
Hey guys, so it's currently a little bit after 9 and I just got home. I just got home and I was hanging out with Jordan, and then after that I had to go do some things. Yeah, sorry if this vlog is extremely short. I feel like I got some footage when I was with Jordan, but I'm not exactly sure. I haven't started editing yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, which means I have to go. So I will see you guys tomorrow.